In this video, I want to show you how to create a new WhatsApp group. To create a new WhatsApp group, open your WhatsApp. Then come to these three dots. Click on it, and here you can see new group. So click on new group. Here is a straightforward process. Just select your contacts you want to add to the new group. So select the contacts, as many of the contacts you want to add to the group. So select them just like this. After adding all the contacts you want to be in the group, click on this arrow to create. Then here you have to give the name to the group. So the name of the group to be, let me name it GeoGGIS Solution. After giving it a name, to add a profile picture, you can click on this icon to navigate to your gallery and select any profile picture of your choice. So you can adjust it. If you are okay with it, click on done. You can see it has been added. Then you can do all other settings here if you wish to, like disappearing messages if you want to on it or off it. Then the group permissions, you can click on the settings and set it as deem fit. Then click on this icon to create it. You can see it has been created. So you can see, like in this case, we have 8 members already. So from here, we can start to add more contacts to this group. So this is how to create a WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching.